Welcome to EarnSide, your guide to smart income with smart tools. In this short video, I'll show you how to create a free ChatGPT account step by step. Let's begin. Step 1. Open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. In the address bar at the top, type chat.openai.com and press enter. You'll land on the ChatGPT homepage. This is where you'll create your free account. After landing on the ChatGPT homepage, click on the button that says Sign up for free in the top right corner. Now you'll see a screen asking for your email address. I've already copied my email, so I'll paste it here. Once your email is entered, click the black Continue button. Next, you'll be asked to create a password. Make sure your password is strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Here's how I'm typing mine. Notice it's long and secure. Once your password is ready, click Continue. Now you'll see a message that says, check your inbox. Open your email and look for the verification code sent by OpenAI. Copy that code, come back to this screen, and paste it into the box. Then click Continue again, and your account will be verified. After verifying your email, you'll be asked to enter your full name and birthday. Type your name in the first box, and your date of birth in the second. Once both fields are filled, click the black Continue button. Next, ChatGPT will ask what you want to use it for: school, work, personal tasks, or just fun. You can select one, or simply click Next to skip. Then you'll see a welcome message that says, Nice to meet you. Here's a quick tour. Click the button that says, OK, let's go. And that's it, your ChatGPT account is now successfully created and ready to use. Now that your account is ready, let me show you how ChatGPT works. In the message box at the bottom, type a simple question like, What is copywriting? Then press enter. ChatGPT will instantly reply with a clear explanation. You can also ask it to write something for you. For example, type, Write a short product description for a smartwatch. And press enter. ChatGPT will generate a complete description in seconds. That's how easy it is. Just type and get instant help. Try it yourself and explore what ChatGPT can do. And that's it, your ChatGPT account is now ready, and you've seen how easy it is to get started. Whether you want to write product descriptions, emails, or just explore AI tools, ChatGPT is a great place to begin. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to EarnSide, and drop a comment below. I'm uploading simple guides every day to help you earn online, step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.